Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you that how you can integrate Payoneer payment gateway into your website. So of course, if you don't have the account on the Payoneer, just go to the payoneer.com and just register with the email ID and your password, right? So after creating the account, then you can install the plugin into your website and just accept the payments using the Payoneer, right? So let me show you how you can do that. But before that, if you have not subscribed the channel, just click on the subscribe button and and also click on the bell icon, because in the coming videos I will be also trying to solve most of the technical issues which are common to all of us. So I think that would be useful for you as well. So let's start with the video. So you need to go to your dashboard of the WordPress, then you need to scroll it down and click on the hover over the plugins and then click on the add new. So once you are clicking on add new link, then you will be redirected to a specific page where you can upload the plugins as well as download the plugins as well. But for now we are interested to upload download. So you need to write here Payoneer. So once you will be writing that one, then it would be searched, and you can see over here that we have the payment gateway Payoneer for WooCommerce. And make sure that if you are using the WooCommerce, like you have the e-commerce store, then of course you will be using the WooCommerce. So you need to install the WooCommerce plugin first, and then after you need to install the payment gateway Payoneer for WooCommerce. So let's click on install now. So once this would be installed, then we need to click on the activate button to activate this specific plugin. So yeah, this is installed now. Now we are going to click on activate. So once this is activated, then we need to do a few settings onto our WooCommerce. So you can see that underneath we have payment gateway Payoneer for WooCommerce. So this is already activated. So now we need to set up our account. So you need to hover over the WooCommerce, and then we have the settings here. So you need to click on settings, and then after you will be redirected onto this general setting page, but you need to click on payments here. So once you are clicking that one, then after you need to scroll it down, and we have the Payoneer gateway. So you need to enable this specific option here. So we have this one, sorry. So this is properly once this is loaded, then you need to click on this specific radio button, and once that would be enabled, then you need to click on this save changes button. So let's wait for a while, and now you need to click on save changes. So in this way you are going to enable Payoneer gateway into your WooCommerce, right? So once this is enabled, then you need to click on the manage button here on the right side. So once you are clicking that one, then you will be getting all the details of the Payoneer gateway, right? So let's see all the information regarding the Payoneer. So you can see that here we have the title, we have already enabled. And one more setting is like someone is doing the order, then you need to put on hold or what. So let me click on the processing. So that means the order is going to be processed, and here you need to write the email address of the specific person. I mean, for example I have my Payoneer account on this Gmail address, so I need to enter that email address over here. Then you need to click on save changes. So that means whenever someone is paying the amount on your website, then that would be added into your Payoneer account, which is linked with this specific email ID. All right, so let's see our website now. So visit the site. So you can see that we have this website over here. So now we are going to purchase a specific product, and then could able to see the flow of the Payoneer payment gateway. So this is the home page. So I'm going to click on the shop on the top navigation bar. So in the same way you will have also created the products page. So you need to enter into that one. I have already created a demo product here. You need to click on this one, and in that way you will be redirected to the cart page. So I'm gonna add this one to the cart. So this would be added into the cart. So now I need to click on this specific view cart button. So once I will be clicking that one, I will be landed to the cart page over here. So you can also see that if I am just decrementing the amount, then I need to update the cart. So that would be automatically, because I have added one more plugin which is just helping me to use the Ajax. So now you need to click on the proceed to checkout, and here you will be getting the payment methods which are in your website. But here we have already added the Payoneer account, so you can see that we are getting this Payoneer. So please make the payment. All the information is over here. Recipient payment account is over here. We need to add the means customer has to add the email address and then after transaction ID, and then need to place the order. So in that way everything would be completed. All right, so let me show you one more thing, which is like this text. You can also do the customization over here. So here in the settings, I already told you that we have this specific HTML. So if you want, you can also remove this one and add your custom text, whichever you wanted to display to your customers. So yeah, this is actually helping you to customize the things which you have needed to show your customers, right? So in that way you will able to do the payment with the Payoneer. So if you are suffering from any problem, you can contact me, and even I will be available for you. If you are adding any comment, you can ask the questions. I will be helping you out. So if you have not still subscribed the channel, just click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so that you get notified with the latest videos which would be technical, and more in most of the cases I always try to upload those videos which are problem solving. Like if someone is facing any issue, so I try to solve that specific problem by myself, and then after I upload that video, so that other people could also get the benefit out of that specific concept. So thank you so much for watching this video. So see you in the next one.